Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the latest tech so you know exactly what you're getting. Today, we're diving into the Apple Watch SE 3 GPS 40mm with a Starlight aluminum case and Starlight Sport Band. This smartwatch is designed for users who want the essential Apple Watch experience without splurging on the Ultra or Series 11 models. It comes with a sleek aluminum case and a sporty band, making it lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. The 40mm case is ideal for smaller wrists, measuring 40mm in height, 34mm in width, and 10.7mm in depth, and it weighs just 26.3 grams in the GPS version. The display is an always-on Retina screen, using OLED and LTPO technology, with up to 1000 nits of brightness and tough ION-X glass width. 4 times the crack resistance, giving you a clear and durable view of your watch face at all times. Under the hood, the SE3 packs the S10 SiP with a 64-bit dual-core processor and a 4-core neural engine, coupled with 64GB of storage. It comes equipped with a second-generation optical heart sensor, temperature sensor, compass, always-on altimeter, high-G accelerometer, high dynamic range gyroscope, and an ambient light sensor. All of these sensors work together to provide detailed health insights, including heart rate monitoring, cycle tracking with retrospective, ovulation estimates and notifications for high or low heart rates, irregular rhythms, and even sleep apnea. It also supports daily sleep scores and tracks sleep stages, giving a comprehensive view of your wellness. The Apple Watch SE3 offers L1 GPS along with GNSS, Galileo, and QZSS compatibility, and it supports 5G, LTE, Wi-Fi 4, and Bluetooth 5.3. For parents or those looking to extend Apple Watch functionality, it supports Apple Watch for Kids, allowing children to call, text, and share their location without needing their own iPhone. Apple Pay and GymKit are also fully supported. Battery life is rated at up to 18 hours with normal use, but if you switch to low power mode, it can stretch up to 32 hours. Fast charging is a major plus here, with 15 minutes giving up to 8 hours of use and a full 80% charge achievable in about 45 minutes. Safety features include emergency SOS, international emergency calling, fall detection, crash detection, noise monitoring, and the backtrack feature. You can even use check-in to automatically notify a loved one when you arrive at a destination. The Apple Watch SE3 comes with the watch itself, a matching sport band, and a 1-meter magnetic charging cable with USB-C. Its water resistance is rated at 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and everyday exposure to water. So, whether you're focused on health tracking, fitness, staying connected, or safety, the Apple Watch SE3 provides a well-rounded package at a price point that doesn't break the bank. It's lightweight, fast, and functional, giving you essential Apple Watch features without the premium cost of higher-end models. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a detailed review.